What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a very special issue with this car. It's a 2007 Toyota Camry, and the customer came because he's complaining about the gauges being crazy. The gauges being crazy when he's driving, and as you can see, it fluctuated a little bit. And also he said while it was driving, the AC stops working as well. So I'm gonna see right now. See, so that's what he's saying. The RPMs, the coolant, even the speed and all that is all fluctuating. And he has the brake light and the ABS light on. So the problem with this car, it's gonna be the brake control module. So what I'm gonna do to confirm that this is the problem, I'm gonna disconnect the module that it's in front over there, and then you can drive it. If it doesn't do anything anymore, then that's for sure it's gonna be the module. But I've seen this problem before. It's usually the brake module, and even I don't have communication with the car with the specific module, and it's connected. I already checked the powers, grounds, and they all seem good, but I don't have communication with the brake module. Alright, so here guys, I have my scanner, and I'm gonna attempt communication with the brake module, which is this one, ABS, and I'm just gonna press OK, establishing, and it says no communication. And also if I go to the main body, probably I'm not gonna get communication, because if there's an issue with the communication lines in the body control module, I mean in the anti-lock brakes, it's shorting out the communication lines, and they are linked together with the body. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to disconnect that module. I'm gonna come back and check the main body, because with the main body controls the AC and it doesn't work right now. So I'm going to disconnect it and then check communication again, and also the fluctuation will stop as well, because that thing is annoying when you're driving. All the gauges going crazy. So let me just go ahead and disconnect it really quick. Alright, so the module is right here, located on the passenger side on the front. Just look for these lines, and the connector is this one. So to disconnect it, you have to lift this front like this and then pull it like that. Just leave it disconnected, and now I'm going to check the communication to see if it's restored. Right, so right now I'm gonna turn it on, and I used to see the fluctuation really quick. And now let's check if we have communication with the main body. Press OK. Alright, it's taking longer, so it might communicate. Alright, so we have communication now, so that's good. And that's gonna confirm that the anti-lock brakes module, it's bad. So you have to disconnect it in order to make the AC work again, and not having the fluctuations on the dashboard. So the fix to this problem is gonna be either replacing the module for a new one, a used one. You can just plug it in and you're good to go. No need for programming. Alright, so stay tuned so you can see how I'm gonna fix this car and take it to a customer, because they've been struggling with this car for a long time. It's been on 2 shops already, and they cannot figure it out what's going on with the car. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we are here in the car, and we already, well actually I already got another module. It's a used one, but it works the same. You don't need programming for this. You can get a used one at lqq.com. That's where I got it from. So this is the bat unit, and make sure you write down bat unit, because you can get confused. It just looks exactly the same. So we're gonna install this one right here, and you gotta make sure you have all the connections right, because you don't want to mess up. And you gotta put it straight, make sure it fits in there. Okay, I'm gonna put this off camera because I need both hands. Actually, I think I got it. Okay, it's just the connector on the way. There we go, pops right in. And we're gonna use our 4 Torx bolts right here, and we're gonna install them like you see right here. So we're gonna use the Torx number 5. There you go. And I'm gonna use this little machine because it's a lot faster instead of doing it with the ratchet hand by hand. So I'm gonna put this, connect back together everything, and I'll go in there and show you what's going on, if the light's gonna go off. Or also I'm gonna use the scanner and check if we have communication with the module and make sure everything's working fine. Alright guys, so we are here in the car and I'm going to check if we have the light or not. So let me just open the switch really quick. Let's go. Switch is open and let's turn it on. Actually, it's discharged. Oh my god. This can also affect modules. If you have a weak battery, then it can damage the electronics. So this car is discharged. Alright guys, so a new battery is installed in the car and let's see what's going to happen. So I'm expecting the light to go off and the check engine to remain on right now because it's linked together with the ABS. If it doesn't detect speed or anything like that, then it's gonna set a code. So let's see. And there we go. We have the light off. As you can see, ABS off, the brake light off, and the air should be working already. So that means it's not shorting the communication lines, and we see that the gauges are not moving anymore like crazy. So we have successful fix. You don't need programming, like I said. It's just plug and play. It doesn't matter from what car is. It works the same for this model. It could be different for others, but yeah, that's how you fix that problem. We have the check engine light on, and I'm gonna check that really quick. I believe it's gonna be for the speed sensor P0500, I think. Let's see. And yep, P0500. So should be good when if I clear it. I'm gonna clear it right now. Come on, no faults, and the car is ready. So this will be the end of the video guys. I hope you liked the information on how to fix this problem. The car came from 2 different shops. They couldn't figure it out, so they just brought it here because we focus more on electronics. And yeah, the problem's fixed. So if you like the video guys, like it, comment down below, turn on notifications. I upload new videos every week, so stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next episode guys. Bye.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their